Hi everyone, big drop, 68% from the opening. It's Eargo, medical device company that develops and sells hearing aids to assist people with hearing loss in the United States. Market cap is quite big, 848 million based on previous day's close. Financial health 4 out of 6, future growth 2 out of 6, and same as the valuation. It's trading 63% below the site's estimated fair valuation. Revenue is forecasted to grow 25% per year. They made IPO back last year in October 2020. On the risk side, currently company is unprofitable and not forecasted to become profitable for the next 3 years. A volatile share price, and I would say it's highly volatile share price. So they went to the IPO in October. Since then, they managed to raise the price, I guess, from the IPO. So they doubles from the IPO, but then there's a decreasing since that point 90%. So those who invested in February this year are standing minus 90%. Those who invested in the IPO are currently minus 79%. But there's a lot of good news for those who might be considering to buying. I guess the the investing.com not recommended, but if we look at the stock price target, analyzed price target is currently $61. That is meaning 784 million. And I guess the market watch has pretty similar, in good scenarios 70, in low scenarios 10, average 30. There was a lot of client updates. They entered the index, raised guidance, exit index, and that is all making the return. Actually we don't see even the full year, but anyway, past year minus 79. And on the fundamental side, we see revenue is 85 million, earnings are minus 44 million, and market cap 850. Valuation side, fair valuation based on simple Wall Street should be around $58 per share. This price is yesterday's close, so don't look at that. And the future growth for the company is forecasted, I guess this is hugely so, annual earning growth 55%. There's a forecast on the earnings side as well, as the volatility would continue to decrease. End of the year earnings is forecasted minus 61 million, but then they could increase to minus 24 million. And earnings per share growth is near to zero, but it's not forecasted anyway to the positive side, unfortunately. Past performance, historical annual earning growth decreased by 6%. So the earnings are decreasing since the December 2017 from minus 24 to minus 44. Currently, companies are profitable. Financial health side, we see that they have a little bit of debt and a lot of cash. Debt 15 million and 179 million of the cash. Debt to equity ratio is 8.6%, so that's fine. Balance sheet looks mostly green. There's on the corner a little bit of debt, and they are not paying dividends. Insider transactions, so there's action on both sides. The company also, one of the individuals have been selling back in May 25th, not a significant of amount, but actually we see here that in the IPO there was companies who have been buying, so this is actually in with a lot of sums. So but somehow they didn't decrease, but there is another one sold in April 57. Let's have a look at the 57. Yeah, it's not the best price, but still better than they did the IPO. So they double. So those who sold this one, they are more than double the money. Guile Health Partners US Incorporated, pretty significant of amount, 26 million, 10 million. I'm not sure if they are like sold all the positions. Ownership breakdown: institutions 60%, VC peer firms 19, private companies 13, insiders less than 4, general public 2.6. Top shareholders: BlackRock increased 232%. That is reported back in end of June. Actually, we see here the Guile Healthcare Partners is still hold. This is 3rd of May, and they were selling. Yeah, actually that day. So they are still holding a lot of current valuation, 64 million. They decreased 23%. Vanguard is increasing 90%. And actually those others, so mostly the companies are adding this one to their portfolio, have been adding. And yeah, so this is very highly volatile share price. This is still trending down, but this point, I guess the volumes is huge, 43 million compared to previous month, so nothing near to this volume. I think that there's a high possibilities that it could bounce from there, but of course it's not a financial advice, but there's I don't know, this just looks so strange. And shares outstanding increased very much with 20 millions of shares. Total sales are increasing as well, so that's good news also. And yeah, anyway, investing.com, selling the stock for long-term investors as a strong sell. Technical indicators as a sell. It's crash for the stock day, maybe it fall down to be penny stock. Well, it looks like I just brought myself so nobody actually know what's going on there. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.